Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here on MetaTrader 5. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can do this simply by going to right here to symbols, search here at MetaTrader 5 for BTC. And then right now, if you can see right here, you see here a Grayscale Bitcoin mini trust. And if we are looking further, you see that we don't have Bitcoin to US dollars. So what you need to do is connect your broker that you're trading on right here to MetaTrader 5. And I created plenty of videos how to do that. And then once you linked your broker right here to MetaTrader 5, then he will automatically show here Bitcoin to US dollar if that broker that you're using supports Bitcoin to US dollar. So right now, if you go back, you see that the only thing that we are having right here is a Grayscale Bitcoin. Then if you, for example, do it right here with Bitcoin US dollars, once you connected your broker, select here show symbol. And then right now what you can do is right here, let's see, where is it? Right there. And if you put this right here to the chart, then you have the chart right here. Can click here on new order, select how much you want to buy, then click here on buy, and then you can create yourselves a position on Bitcoin. So this is the only way how you can Bitcoin on MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.